What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, reach out to me and get some cool stickers. Alright, we got a lot of noise going on here in the background, but today we're working on one of my co-workers' trucks. This is the one that we put the arch oil in and did a before and after shot. Unfortunately, he had an oil leak from the rocker box gasket that requires you to remove the head studs and replace the gasket. So I just got done doing all this. It was under warranty because he bought some parts over the counter and is using Ford's awesome 2-year unlimited mileage warranty. So both rocker boxes were leaking. We went ahead and cleaned up the ARP head studs and reused them. And pretty much right now the last thing we're doing is putting on a brand new turbo. So this is the original turbo. Nothing wrong with it. This is a 55 millimeter turbine wheel. This one is a Garrett PowermaX turbo. This one is 65 millimeter. This is for an 03 model turbo. If you guys know the bolt, that's a pain in the butt to get to on your 03. They changed it. But what we're gonna do is install this one on here. I do have a video of the before acceleration and idle takeoff with this turbo. Let's look at these different wheels so you guys can see the difference here. Okay, so we got, you guys can see that one, and then look at this one. You can see how much more smaller that is. Back to the big boy. Okay, we'll look at the exhaust side. Brand new from Garrett. I'm going to show you guys the part number here in a sec. We got a 10 blade turbine wheel, and this one is a 13 blade turbine wheel. So it's definitely going to be louder. This one can add up to an additional 175 horse depending on what tune you're going to run. Here's the part number for it. I want to give a shout out to my boys at Thoroughbred for hooking us up with this sweet application that we're going to show you. So we're going to use the original drain tube. We're going to use the original pedestal, but we're just not using this bolt here. Gone ahead and gotten a new downpipe clamp. This guy is running a bigger downpipe. Unfortunately, it's welded here, so we couldn't move it when we were doing our repairs, but no big deal. So, all right, well, let's get to it. Okay, just gonna set the drain down on our drain pipe, and it's pretty much sitting right here. So you can see what it's going to want to do, but as soon as we put this bolt in and the other bolt and then a downpipe, this thing is not going to be budging whatsoever. Okay, so the turbo's on. This is what it's going to look like from the back. There's absolutely nothing holding the turbo right here. So we got two bolts that, oh my god, man, that are holding the turbo in right here, and the one on the passenger side. Got it mounted correctly with a new gasket and an oil feed line. Pretty much looks just like a regular stock turbo, other than we're missing, like I said, one bolt. Here's it from the driver's side. Gonna put the air intake tube on and new O-ring for the breather. So, all right, let me see what else can we do here. Okay, pretty much just ready for the up pipes. We got no EGR did put a new blue hose on. I had some extra hose from the last job, and this one was all cobbled up, so we got looking real nice. But the up pipes are pretty much self-explanatory. We got new bolts, gonna reuse this clamp and get this thing going. So, okay, next shot's gonna be outside. Turbo time. All right, guys, so we got the truck. It's all completed, as you can see. Everything's nice to go. We're gonna do our startup. Turbo time. All right, you guys, tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. If anybody's had to put a PowermaX turbo, how nice the truck looks. Oh yeah, baby. All right, you guys, tell me what you think. I'll see you next Friday.